Instructions for use. Introduce an agarose tube into a float, which should be at the level of the top of the tube, and leave it floating in water for 5 minutes at 90 to 100 degrees centigrade until the agarose liquefies. Alternatively, the agarose can be melted in a microwave oven. Transfer the agarose with the float to a temperature-controlled bath at 37 degrees centigrade and leave for 5 minutes until the temperature is even. Processing of the sample. Dilute the semen sample in culture medium to a concentration of 5 to 10 million per milliliter. Add 25 microliters of the semen sample to the content of the agarose tube and resuspend. Drop off 14 to 20 microliters onto the treated side of the slide and cover with the glass cover slip, being careful to avoid air bubbles. Place a pre-treated slide on a cold surface at 4 degrees centigrade, for example, a metal or glass plate. Put the cold sheet with the slide into the refrigerator and leave the sample to gel for 5 minutes. Remove the slide cover by gently sliding it off. Prepare the denaturation solution. To do this, add 80 microliters of the contents of AD solution to 10 milliliters of distilled water. Mix and place in an incubation tray. Immediately introduce the slide into the denaturation solution in a horizontal position and leave to incubate for 7 minutes at room temperature. Hold it horizontally and put it still horizontally in a tray containing 10 milliliters of lysis solution. Incubate for 25 minutes. Pick up the slide and put it horizontally into a tray containing plenty of distilled water in order to wash the lysis solution. Leave for 5 minutes. Introduce the slide horizontally into a tray with 70% ethanol for 2 minutes. Followed by 90% ethanol for 2 minutes, and finally 100% ethanol for 2 minutes. Leave to dry naturally. Staining of the sample. Mix right stain solution with phosphate buffer solution 1:1. Leave to stain for 15 minutes. Pour off, gently wash under running water and leave to dry. If you want a permanent preparation, this can be mounted in entalon.